If Shans know what I'm talking about. What's up? What's up? What's up? Rap snacks.
Hello, we're trying wrap snacks today on my channel.
What's up? I'm coming for you, Dave. Yeah, that's my name. I'm coming for you, Dave.
And I'm Tawny B, in the place to be.
Let's open the bag.
Open the chips.
Woo! Little dirt chips. Okay. Let's get to it. Shake them up, because as we already know, the money chip is in the bag. Get in your bag. Give me.
And we gotta bite it at the same time.
All right. All right. You ready?
Ready. This is buttermilk. And it tastes like salty cheese. What do you think?
Taste the ranch.
I don't
Buttermilk.
taste the ranch.
Buttermilk ranch. I'll taste it.
And what do you think, Barry?
Oh my God. All right. Yeah, as you know, the money chip is in the bag. Let's see if I can find the money chip. That perfect chip in the bag, baby. Get in your bag, Jimmy.
Oh my.
Where's the money chip at?
Get the money chip. Let me get mine. One more try.
Buttermilk ranch. Little dirt chips, wrap snacks.
I'm not really a chip person, but it does taste more ranch this time, but no.
We done found the money chip, baby. Yeah, let go, baby. It's going down tonight. Baby, they love that. You heard me? Yeah, they love that. Money chip. I found it. Every bag has a money chip. It has a perfect chip, and you gotta find that chip. This is the money chip, baby. Get down on that bag. Wrap snacks, baby. You heard me? Yeah, it going down tonight. Little dirt, yeah. And we're gonna show you. We're gonna go through them. We got other wrap snacks. It's going down tonight. You heard me? They love that. Yeah, baby.
Okay, so that was the Little Dirt wrap snacks, buttermilk flavor. It was okay, but I wasn't too excited about them, but apparently he is. He's still over there eating them.
After you talk to them
And
Indians?
Barry wants some more too. I guess Barry liked them. He's irritated with me putting him on the camera.
You know, after you hang out with the Indians for a little while,
Little Dirt wrap snacks.
they don't taste like they're
Buttermilk
supposed
wrap.
to taste.
So here's the second bag of wrap snack. This is Biggie, Notorious B.I.G. Honey Jalapeño. And we're going to try these and see what they taste like. Let's open the bag. Get in the bag. Open the bag.
Get in your
in the
bag. Get out of your feelings and get in your bag.
Alright. Hurry, hurry, hurry. And Barry's waiting too.
Remember, every bag got a money chip in there.
Let's see if I can find the money chip this time. And this is what it looks like. Honey Jalapeño. Let's try. You got it? Cheers. And let's try it.
Honey jalapeno. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh.
That one actually good,
Got
but
cheese like a giraffe.
it's a little too sweet for me. But it's good. A little hint of pepper
Ooh, that heat.
as you're chewing it.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. And you do know that money chip is in the bag.
Oh, the
Money
heat really
chip.
comes through after you chew it up, though. I must say that.
Sneaky.
Let me try one more, and that's it. Here's another chip. Take a bite.
Woo. Woo.
And you feel the heat
Get all
after
your
you chew
feelings
it
and get
up.
in your bag. Get all your feelings and get in your bag. Grab snacks.
That's the honey jalapeno. It says we can change the world. We can't change the world unless we change ourselves. That's a word. That's a word. I think I like that one better. I give that one a 9 out of 10.
You
But it's
know
just a little
very
bit
well
sweet. The first
who
one,
you
I give it a
are.
5 out of 10. What you rate this one as?
I like them. I like them. I give them at least 5 out of 10. I give them at least a 7.
Mm.
7.
Okay.
Woo.
And you feel the heat
Get all
after
your
you chew
feelings
it
and get
up.
in your bag. Get all your feelings and get in your bag. Grab snacks.
That's the honey jalapeno. It says we can change the world. We can't change the world unless we change ourselves. That's a word. That's a word. I think I like that one better. I give that one a 9 out of 10.
You
But it's
know
just a little
very
bit
well
sweet. The first
who
one,
you
I give it a
are.
5 out of 10. What you rate this one as?
I like them. I like them. I give them at least 5 out of 10. I give them at least a 7.
Mm.
7.
Okay. There you have it. Chip challenge. The wrap snack chips challenge with Tiny B. And
Coming for you, Dave.
and for the first ones, the little dirt chips, I gave them a 5 out of 10. He gave it a...
I'm coming for you, Dave.
Well, what did you rate the first bag?
First bag I gave first bag by like about the same, about a 7.
Okay. And the Notorious B.I.G. chips, the honey jalapeno, I gave those about a 9 out of 10. Those were good. A little too sweet, but they were good because the heat comes right in smoothly.
Yeah, they do get better as you go along. I'm munching on these right now, and I talk to the Indians. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, me, and they love that.
Mm.
Honey, jalapeno, and that notorious big. You know what I'm talking about?
And the bootleg challenge is over. Thank you for watching.
Ain't no
Signing
bootleg
off
challenge
with
going down tonight. They love that. You heard me? They
a little
love
bit
that.
of Fireball and a little bit of Hood and the snack chips and me, Tiny B.
And the
Thank
Indians.
you.
The Indians love that. Rap snacks.
And the bootleg challenge is over. Thank you for watching.
Ain't
Signing
no bootleg
off
challenge
with
going down tonight. They love that. You heard me? They
a little
love
bit
that.
of Fireball and a little bit of Hood and the snack chips and me, Tiny B.
And the
Thank
Indians.
you.
The Indians love that. Rap snacks.
And the bootleg challenge is over. Thank you for watching.
Ain't
Signing
no bootleg
off
challenge
with
going down tonight. They love that. You heard me? They
a little
love
bit
that.
of Fireball and a little bit of Hood and the snack chips and me, Tiny B.
And the
Thank
Indians.
you.
The Indians love that. Rap snacks.
Don't take it allergic to no-tech. Allergic reactions can occur in the days after using. Most common side effects were nausea, indigestion, and stomach pain. Treat and prevent all in one. Talk to your doctor about no-tech today. 92% of households take off are still active a year later. Yeah, actively using.
I don't know niggas be sucking chips in their hand and shit.
Barry's drooling because he wants more chips. Ugh.
Woo! That heat creep up on you. But hey, them Indians, they love that. You heard me? Yeah. They're going down tonight. Woo. And after I smoke,
Thanks for
we
watching.
about to fuck up another bag.
Don't take it allergic to no-tech. Allergic reactions can occur in the days after using. Most common side effects were nausea, indigestion, and stomach pain. Treat and prevent all in one. Talk to your doctor about no-tech today. 92% of households take off are still active a year later. Yeah, actively using.
I don't know niggas be sucking chips in their hand and shit.
Barry's drooling because he wants more chips. Ugh.
Woo! That heat creep up on you. But hey, them Indians, they love that. You heard me? Yeah. They're going down tonight. Woo. And after I smoke,
Thanks for
we
watching.
about to fuck up another bag.